Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wix domain with Namecheap hosting. First, understand that this process involves updating your domain's name servers to point from Wix to Namecheap. This simple change tells the internet where to find your website's content. We will guide you through finding your Namecheap name servers and then updating them within your Wix domain management panel. It is a straightforward process that takes only a few minutes to initiate. To begin, log into your Namecheap account. Once inside your dashboard, navigate to your hosting product details. Here, you will find the crucial information, your Namecheap name servers. Typically, there are two distinct name server addresses, such as dns1.namecheap.com and dns2.namecheap.com. Make sure to accurately copy both of these addresses, as they are essential for the next step in connecting your domain. Now, head over to your Wix account. In your Wix dashboard, find the Domains section and select the specific domain you want to connect. Look for the option to manage or change your domain's name servers. You will typically see Wix's default name servers listed. Carefully replace these with the two Namecheap name server addresses you copied earlier. Remember to save your changes to initiate the update process. After updating your name servers in Wix, it is important to understand that the changes are not instant. This process, known as DNS propagation, can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours to fully update across the internet. You can use an online DNS checker tool to verify that your domain is now pointing to Namecheap servers. Once propagation is complete, your Wix domain will successfully load content from your Namecheap hosting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.